cows up close and personal. Was that a moo? Did I hear a moo? There's the baby donkey and mama with the cow. The cow's looking at me like I'm nuts. Was that a moo, white cow? Hey, Bullseye. And other cows. Was that a moo? Hi. Let's go see these buggers over here. I was told by one of my viewers that when the cows are laying down, it's because they're too hot. Hey. Hi, Bullseye. Hi, honey. Oh, could you go a little louder? You're awfully soft-spoken. Don't be shy. Oh, you're a quiet mooer. Why you moo so quietly? Moo a little louder. Moo! Speak louder. Is that all you got? Can't get the other one's face too good. Let's see. There we go. From a quick look, these two could be mistaken from the same cow. Hi! Look, you stretching that little neck. Yeah, you stretch that neck, girly. Hi, Bullseye, baby. And let's see if we could... Oh, there's the baby donkey with her mama. Hey there, baby donkey. Hi, mama donkey. Where you both going? Oh, sorry, Vixen. I walked into you. Hey there, baby donkey. And you stop shaking your tail at us. You mad? Why are you shaking your tail at us? I love seeing that baby donkey run. I wish she would trot. She looks so cute trotting like a horse. Whenever she trots like a horse, I never have my camera ready. I'm glad I'm getting all these guys and gals up close and personal. Oh, they're all girls. I think the baby donkey is a girl too. You gonna moo some more? Hi. Were you talking to us? We don't understand moo. Hello there, you. Glad you all are on camera shy. You gonna moo some more? Moo! Do I not speak moo correctly? Moo! Hello. I'm sorry, do I not speak cow correctly that you're looking at me like I'm nuts? Were you shaking that little leg? You shake that little leg, get the blood flowing. Oh, there's another one with its tushy at our backs. No, you're a quiet one too. Got two quiet mooers. The brown one and this black and white one. Moo! Come on, you two gotta give it your all. Speak up. Yeah, you two need to speak up. Get loud. We need to hear you. Let the viewers hear you. Moo! Give it all your might. My viewers are going to think I'm nuts. I'm not nuts. Not quite sure what the baby donkey's trying to do. Maybe help her mommy give herself a bath. Or maybe she's still nursing. Well, bye, donkey, since you're out of the sight of the cow. On the other side of the cow, you're out of sight of the camera. Except for Mama Donkey's back. Oh, there's Mama Donkey's head. She's eating. Well, bye you all. And sorry I walked into you, Vixen. I was trying to do a video. I didn't see you. I wasn't looking down. Yeah. Let's go for a walk. I hear things in the bushes, but I don't see anything moving. As long as it's not snakes and mice, I'm good. Oh, you're sitting down on the job? You're resting? Yeah, I don't see anything moving, but like I said, as long as it's not snakes and mice, I'm good. Or even a wolf or coyote or anything else that may attack. Well, I'm gonna walk some more and see if I could get these guys and end the video. I know everybody likes my animal videos. I do too. Excuse me, I hiccuped. I've been hiccuping a lot lately. Bye, you all our beauties. You're all so beautiful. Bye. Another cow hiding behind that one there. Today must be hiding day. First the cat, the donkey, and the baby, and oh, this cow. Okay, Vixen, I'm coming. Sing, birdie, sing. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day and week, and enjoy the weekend. Bye.